What is going on, everybody? So today, before we get both hands going with the drums, right hand guide tones. This is a video for new learners, keep that in mind, but you should have some basic chord knowledge. So if you've been following my videos, you should be fine with this. So guide tones, right hand, 3rd and 7th. So we have B flat 7, we're gonna have the D and the A flat. And if you're having a hard time negotiating what degree the chord is, play broken like this. Say to yourself, root, 3rd, 5th, 7th. Got this. And then the E flat 7, we are going to go down a half step for a smooth voice leading. That might be a little tricky at first, but you'll get used to it with practice. Only because this is the 3rd and 7th, and then all of a sudden we have the 7th and 3rd. That's why you got to practice your chords. And the other one is just F7. Drums for 1 full measure, right hand whole notes. Check it out. 2, 3, 4. Pattern. You play this one? Awesome. Let me know how you're doing, and don't forget you can access the PDF in the link, and I'm throwing in this drum loop, this MP3, as a surprise gift if you're watching till the end. Yes, I want the MP3 loop. Put it in the comments and I'll send it to you. Bye for now.